In this video, we will try to follow the target that appears at the random position. Let's see how to make this in Scratch. I'm going to upload a sprite from the Google. I have downloaded it and I'll upload it here. I'll also paint a backdrop here. So go to the paint option here and convert it to bitmap. Choose this paint box and pick any color that you like. Once you click on the stage, it will be painted. Let's start the coding for this target. I'll reduce the size of this target. Now, when green flag is clicked, we're going to show and hide this target. So first I will hide it. Add a forever block here and create clone of the target and add a wait bit of 1 second between them. Now, when you start as a clone, so when I start as a clone, go to motion, add this block, go to random position and then show there. So add a show block. It should be hidden. So add a wait block and then hide him. So it appears, wait for 1 second and then it will be disappearing. That's it. I hope you like this game. Follow our channel for more such videos. Bye bye.